everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Rockstar Games Launcher not opening or working on your Windows PC. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, if you have the launcher but you're figuring out how to launch it and it's not working out, then we have a few simple solutions. First of all, we can go to our Windows and search for Windows Security. Once you open here, go to the Virus and Threat Protection. Once you open here, go to Manage Settings right here. Then scroll down until you see the Add or Remove Exclusions. Once you do that, you're going to add a new exclusion. Easiest way to find it is you search right here and then you search for Rockstar Game Launcher, right click and then open file location. Go do that again. Now as you can see, you have it right here. Copy the destination, add an exclusion, file, paste it right there, and there you have it right here. And so you're just going to select the launcher.exe, open it, and now you have your exclusion. The second option is to close this, open your folder explorer, go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to program files, x86, look for the Rockstar folder, going to say Rockstar Games, and from here you're going to right click, and then go to rename, and then at the start you're just going to put an underscore, and done. And now you try to launch the game by searching for Rockstar Game Launcher, right click, and then run as administrator. Once you do that, give it a few seconds, and there you go. Now you have Rockstar Games Launcher opening. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.